Right, hi guys, welcome to MK Sportscars Open Day. So we're going to kick off first inside here, what we've got going on. Now I know you would have seen some of these cars, there's a lot of people stood around, but it's the end of the day at this moment in time. But what we got here, we've got the freshly IVA'd Cup 200 in a beautiful red, all painted up. This is sold, going out to its new owner. We're just doing a few after IVA bits on it. We got the yellow R1 car, this is all ready for IVA. That's going in the next week or so, and that's for sale. If you want to get yourself into an RX5 base kit with an R1 5EY engine in, 180 horsepower, 6-speed sequential gearbox, paddle shift, that's awesome. Now we've got here, we've got the K20. Now you have been talking about this in the cameras as well. We've been speaking over the last few weeks. We've got the K20 with a big turbo. We love a big turbo. We're going to see some turbos today. That's on there, that's been on shows. Created a lot of interest actually. People are like complimentary of what's going on under here. I think it looks great, nicely detailed, very subtle, you know, lots of wiring to do though that's under here that we're dealing with at the moment. We've also got the Dax Rush MC, that's for sale, really nice, painted in this Subaru blue. It's got a Gen 1 Hayabusa in it, 18 grand for a lot of car that is. It's a fast car as well. It's got the RAC spec roll bar on it as well, so really nice car. One owner builder car, that particular one. Definitely worth a look at. What we else we've got here, we've got the Cup 200, the other car. This is now sold. That should be picked up in the next week or so. It's going to be doing some sprinting. We've got Yoshi's build there at the back, which is Yoshi Fumi, sorry, build, which is going on, which is a booster car. His engine's down there, ready to go in this week. Looking forward to getting that in now. We've got another Mazda car here that's finished. It's got a 1.8 VVT in now, and it's all Mazda running gear. We've just finished all this, ready for again. This is for IVA, ready to go in the next week or so. We've got Peter's car here, just showing, you've seen that on the video as well. There's a build going on with the infamous S2000 engine, lovely 9,000 RPM screamer. Can't really go wrong. Really good compromise between bike engine, car engine, that particular one. We did roll out the Phoenix. We've still got this, guys, and we're still working on this behind the scenes. Rolled out the Phoenix just to show how pretty she is. She still is very nice in lipstick red, kissable. She's lovely. Right, and also we got here, we've got Jim's car. We've got Jim's car over there, and this is a Gen 2 booster car, Mazda running gear, black on black. She is stealthed to the max, so really looking sharp. Then what we got over here, we got the Sprint 185 in the showroom that's finished off, fresh off of showing at Newark as well, and this is getting final details, final prep really for IVA. And then what we got here is Duncan Cowper's car. Good friend of mine, known him for many years, I don't know, since I was about 13. It's the Pikes Peak special car. So he ran this in Pikes Peak, up the hill, up the mountain. Said it 2 years he'd been doing it, 9 minutes 57 in his first year. Fastest rookie, I think he was 9th overall, 8th or 9th overall, but fastest rookie as well. What a piece of kit. It was just interesting. If you're a petrol head, we thought we'd bring this in here, sort of really big first sort of soiree back in the UK since its hill climb event. Really good interest, but you got a nice booster here, Gen 1 booster. I mean, it ain't a standard one. Jeff Page engine sticker on here, custom plenum, custom manifold, custom turbo, custom intake, custom radiators. It's custom beyond custom. Lewis agrees, it's mental. It looks amazing. I mean, look at the wing. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a fan of ironing, but I reckon I could get used to ironing with this. This is 1.8 metre rear wing. How mental is that? Rear diffuser, it has got a front wing on it, but it's not on at the moment because just taking the bonnet off, but you've got the front wing as well. It's all custom intercoolers, all on here. The whole thing is just a bit mad, really. A bit mad, and built to do one thing. Go fast, up a hill, in under 10 minutes. And hats off to him fastest 7. I think it's the only 7, if I remember right, it's ever been up, or 7 style shaped car that's ever been uphill. So a bit bonkers really, and Duncan's been here chatting to people as well today, just filling him in on his amazing venture over there in the US. Right, what we're going to do now though, enough of that in here. Plenty of cars turned up today. Thanks for everybody that turned up. All kinds of machinery, from Westfields to MKs to GBSs to Tigers to TVRs even out there. So Lewis is going to head out into the yard and see what turned up. That's it for another awesome open day. Thanks for everybody that turned up here, guests, family, friends as well, and all of that. All to the team that helped us get the workshop sorted out, get outside work sorted out, and Charlotte did a killer job on the bacon rolls for everybody. So that's a wrap for this week. We will like, share, subscribe. We will catch you next time.